Hey developers! I'm happy to announce that Rebrandly has just released an SDK to help all our Python devs use Rebrandly for their link management needs. If you've worked with any API before, you know that there are a lot of extras you have to handle beyond your core application logic, things like authentication, paginated responses, and error codes. Rebrandly's new Python SDK takes care of all of that for you, so you can focus on the code that's most critical for your business needs. Installation is just a standard pip install. Once you've got your API key, you can start creating and managing links right away, with operations like link creation possible in only 2 lines of easily readable code. This first version of our SDK supports everything, including CRUD operations on links, bulk link creation, deep linking, open graph metadata management, and traffic routing based on conditions like device type or location. The dev docs have all the details and some code examples to get you started. But that's really all there is to it, just a clean wrapper around our API that lets you focus on actually managing your links. We're working on V2 of our SDK now, which will cover the rest of the API, including features like link tags and scripts. We're always eager for feedback and hope you'll share your thoughts and requests. Thanks for tuning in.